Searching for trailer hitch locks online feels like staring at a wall of identical black pins. Same claims, same photos, same anti-theft buzzwords. But here's what they don't show you: how one small detail can mean the difference between peace of mind and a stolen trailer. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, CZC Auto Receiver Pin Lock. First up is the CZC Auto Hitch Receiver Pin Lock, a no-frills, budget-friendly option at just under $18. It's made of carbon steel with a painted finish and fits both 2 and 2.5 class III receivers, which covers most trucks and RVs. If you want solid, basic protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5/8 pin with a 3.5 effective length fits snugly into standard receiver tubes, reducing wobble that could loosen over time. The 360-degree rotating head makes installation easier in tight spaces, and the rubber key slot cap keeps moisture and dirt out, something that actually extends the lock's life. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clearly trusted by everyday users who need reliability, not flash. Now, some people complained about the paint chipping after a few months of exposure to road salt or heavy rain. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-end marine-grade lock, and at this price point, minor cosmetic wear doesn't compromise function. The core steel body still holds strong with a 5,000-pound pull force rating. This is perfect for you if you're looking for affordable, dependable security for your bike rack or light trailer on weekend trips. Skip this one if you live in a harsh coastal or snowy climate where corrosion is a bigger concern. For the price, it delivers solid value. Product number 2, Rhino USA 2 Locking Pin. Now, if the CZC Auto's basic paint finish left you worried about long-term durability, the Rhino USA 2 trailer hitch pin steps up with serious weatherproofing. Priced around $36, it's built by a family-owned US company and includes a patented slide cap that seals out dirt, mud, and moisture, something most budget locks don't offer. That means even after driving through rain or snow, your key won't get gummed up with grime. The solid carbon steel construction resists cutting and prying, and it fits all standard 2-class III hitches, perfect for SUVs, trucks, and campers. Over 2,000 buyers in the past month can't be wrong. Some users mentioned the keys feel a bit flimsy compared to heavier-duty locks, and one reviewer said it took a few tries to get the key to turn smoothly at first. Here's the thing though, that's common with new tubular locks and usually clears up after a couple uses. Plus, Rhino USA backs it with a real lifetime replacement policy, so you're covered even if something goes wrong. This is perfect for you if you want American-made quality, weather resistance, and anti-theft peace of mind without going overboard on cost. Skip this one if you need a lock for a 2.5 hitch. This only fits 2. But for most mid-size towing setups, it's a smart upgrade. Product number 3, Rhino USA Coupler Lock Kit. Alright, that was a solid receiver pin, but what if your real worry isn't the hitch tube but the coupler itself? That's where the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit comes in. At $70.50, it's pricier, but it locks directly onto the trailer tongue, preventing anyone from unhitching your RV or boat while it's parked. This heavy-duty steel lock is powder-coated to resist rust and corrosion, and it's designed specifically for 2 5/16 couplers, common on larger trailers, campers, and toy haulers. It won't fit adjustable or bulldog-style couplers, so double-check your trailer type. But if it fits, you get near-total theft deterrence. Even if someone cuts your receiver pin, they can't drive away with your trailer. A few buyers noted it's bulky and a bit awkward to store when not in use, and at 2 pounds, it's not something you'll toss in a glove box. Here's the thing though, that weight is a sign of serious steel construction. This isn't meant to be convenient, it's meant to be unbreakable. And again, Rhino USA's lifetime replacement guarantee means you're never stuck with a faulty unit. This is perfect for you if you leave your trailer unattended at campsites or storage lots and want maximum security. Skip this one if you only tow occasionally or have a smaller trailer with a different coupler size. For serious haulers, it's worth every penny. Product number 4, Rhino USA 2.5 Class V Pin. Now, if you're driving a heavy-duty truck like a Ford F-350 or Ram 3500, chances are you've got a 2.5 Class V hitch, and that means the standard 2 locks won't cut it. Enter the Rhino USA 2.5 trailer hitch pin, built specifically for those larger receivers at $42.25. But the bigger pin diameter and reinforced design handle the heavier loads and higher stress of commercial-grade towing. Whether you're hauling a massive camper, equipment trailer, or boat, this lock ensures your connection stays secure and theft-resistant. One downside: because it's sized for heavy-duty use, it's overkill for smaller vehicles. Some users also said it's harder to find replacement keys locally compared to standard locks. Here's the thing though, Rhino USA ships free replacements within days. And honestly, if you're using a Class V hitch, you're probably not worried about minor inconveniences when security is on the line. This is perfect for you if you own a heavy-duty truck and refuse to compromise on hitch security. Skip this one if you drive a half-ton pickup with a 2 receiver. You'll be paying for strength you don't need. But for true workhorse rigs, this is the right tool for the job. Product number 5, METOWARE Universal Coupler Lock. Finally, if you're on a tight budget but still want visible, adjustable protection, the METOWARE Universal Coupler Lock at just $12.83 is hard to ignore. Its bright yellow color alone acts as a theft deterrent. Criminals love easy targets, and this thing screams not worth the trouble. The zinc-plated steel resists corrosion, and rubber caps shield the lock mechanism from the elements. It's lightweight but surprisingly sturdy for the price, and nearly 1,000 people bought it last month. The main complaint: it's not as tamper-proof as heavier locks. Some determined thieves could potentially cut through it with the right tools. Here's the thing though, for overnight parking at a rest stop or short-term storage, it's more than enough. And at this price, you could even buy 2 and use them on multiple trailers. This is perfect for you if you need affordable, universal security for occasional towing or as a visual deterrent. Skip this one if you're leaving your trailer unattended for days in high-risk areas. But for everyday peace of mind on a budget, it punches above its weight. So which one wins? The CZC Auto is great for basic needs. Rhino USA's 2 and 2.5 pins offer premium weatherproofing for different hitch sizes. Their coupler lock is best for full trailer security, and the METOWARE gives you universal fit on a budget. Think about your vehicle, your trailer, and how much risk you're comfortable with. Then pick the lock that matches your real-world use.